Greetings and welcome to our channel. Today, we will immerse ourselves in the captivating world of digital marketing. In the past, the field of digital marketing unveiled a wide array of possibilities. Come along as we delve into the true essence of digital marketing and witness its transformation into a vital component of contemporary marketing strategies. To embark on this journey, it was crucial to grasp what digital marketing is and its advantages. Digital marketing involves promoting products or services through digital means. It leverages various channels, including search engines, websites, social media platforms, email, and mobile applications. This approach allows marketers to interact with and understand their audience better, fostering brand trust and offering targeted advertisements based on users' online behaviors. Additionally, digital marketing is often more cost-effective compared to traditional marketing methods. Digital marketing includes a wide range of strategies, such as content marketing, search engine marketing, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. By understanding these categories, it was possible to craft a comprehensive digital marketing campaign for an e-commerce website. Let's break down each type. Content marketing. Creating engaging content such as blogs, videos, infographics, and case studies was the first step. This form of content marketing aimed to spark interest in the audience regarding the brand's products or services. Search engine optimization, SEO. Next, it was essential to ensure that the created content reached the target audience. This involved optimizing the website with specific keywords and acquiring backlinks from reputable sites. Continuous optimization efforts led to the website ranking higher on search engine results pages, eventually achieving a top position without incurring any costs. Number 3. Pay-per-click or PPC advertising. In addition to organic traffic, directing traffic through advertisements was also explored. This method required paying a fee each time someone clicked on an ad. These ads appeared in search engine results and on various websites, effectively increasing visibility. Number 4. Social media marketing. To reach a broader audience, leveraging social media platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram became imperative. These platforms were used to share posts, images, videos, and more, telling the brand story and connecting with the audience. Paid advertisements on these platforms also played a significant role in promoting products or services. Number 5. Email marketing. Understanding that many potential customers might not revisit the website, an email marketing strategy was implemented. This involved sending emails to educate them about the products they had shown interest in and guiding them through the purchasing process. Additionally, emails were used to promote products or services to potential customers. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. To drive even more traffic, affiliate marketing was employed. Affiliates promoted the brand or products to their audience and earned commissions through sign-ups, registrations, conversions, and subscriptions. Despite the hard work and effort put into these digital marketing strategies, the initial results were modest. This realization led to the decision to gain more knowledge and experience. Enrolling in a certification program provided the necessary skills and training to become a proficient digital marketer. This journey into digital marketing has been enlightening, revealing the vast potential and numerous strategies involved. By continuously learning and adapting, it is possible to excel in this dynamic field. If you are inspired to enhance your career in digital marketing, consider pursuing a certification to gain the expertise required. Thank you for exploring this journey into digital marketing. If you enjoyed this video, your support is greatly appreciated. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for more updates on the latest technology and trends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content from Budmal Channel.